Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and I've got a very special car for you guys today. A 1965 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport with a period correct 409 underneath the hood, made it to a 700 R4, which is a 4-speed transmission, which makes this thing a blast to drive. It's got other modifications like QA1 suspension, so you got coilovers on all 4 corners, tubular A-arms, just make this thing drive like it's on a cloud. You've got upgraded brakes, you got 4-wheel disc on all 4 corners, made by CPP. You've got a set of 20-inch US mags on here as well that just look fantastic and set this car off. The stance on this car is absolutely beautiful. But let's jump into this walk around. Let's start up front like we always do. Let's check out the bright work here. Your chrome and the grille and your headlights are all in excellent condition. One cool thing about this car, it's got the upgraded Holley LED headlights. So you don't have the old school halogen bulbs where you can't see anything. You've got upgraded LED bulbs. The paint on this car is a 1-year only color. It's called Evening Orchid, which is a beautiful color, guys. I'm sure the camera is not even doing it any justice. It's got some metallic in it, and it's just a really pretty color that just works really good with the white interior. But all your fitment on all your fenders and your hood is in really good condition, guys. All your bright work, your chrome trim around the fenders here are in great condition. Your chrome wheels look brand new. Your glass on this car is like new. Another thing that I want to get into on this car before we move forward, this car was a frame off restoration. So this thing, nut and bolt, was completely redone. It is a very high-end restoration and looks fantastic, guys. This thing is absolutely beautiful, and you have to see it in person to really appreciate it. And whoever purchased this car is going to be very lucky, because this is one of my favorites in the showroom right now. But let's get back to the walk around. Check out your gap here. Nice and even all the way down. You've got the Super Sport badge there that's in excellent condition. All your chrome trim here around the windows in great condition. You do have windshield wipers, and they do work. That's a big plus. The roof of the car is in excellent condition. I don't see any paint flaws. That paint is just shining in that sunshine that's beaming on us right now. Your chrome mirrors in great condition. Your wing windows in good condition. Check out that body line going down the car here. It's nice and straight all the way down. Your body line's nice and even all the way down. Your chrome handle here, door handle on the door, is in excellent condition. I like to open these doors and shut them, show you that the door is not sagging. Your rear quarter, and that's a big rear quarter, guys. Jesus, that's long and strong, as they say, you know. But anyways, the body line's nice and straight. I don't see any imperfections here on your B-pillar. Nice and clean. Quarter's nice and clean. Body lines are nice and crisp all the way down. You do have the dual antennas on the back of the car that give it a really nice look. You know, if you can't get the radio reception, you can pull it out. They are functional. Your rear glass is in excellent condition. The trim around the back window is in excellent condition. Your rear trunk here, the paint is flawless. I don't see any paint imperfections. You've got that beautiful back end here with the triple tail lights on each side that look really great. Your chrome bumpers in great condition as well, guys. Even your trim that runs along the bottom of the car here with Chevrolet and the Impala SS badge there is in excellent condition. What a fantastic car, guys. This one is one of my favorites, as I said earlier, and it's a very special car, being a 1-year only color. But let's go ahead and work our way back up front so I can show you the engine under the hood. All right, guys, so this is another thing that makes this car special. That is a 409. We've gotten the numbers off the back of the block to verify this. I also got the casting dates off the back of the block as well to verify that it is a period correct 409. We have all those numbers if you guys are interested in seeing that. You've got an upgraded 4-barrel carburetor on here, upgraded AC system as well. You got power disc brakes. Upgraded aluminum radiator, so no overheating issues with dual electric fans. This car is pretty much period correct restored, but it's had some really nice modern upgrades done to it just to make it a little bit nicer, in my opinion. You've got the billet hood hinges as well. You know, just having that upgraded aluminum radiator and electric fans just keeps you from having any overheating problems and just makes this thing run with no problems. And then having all the modern suspension and the more modern transmission just makes it a pleasure to drive. But overall, a fantastic engine bay for a fantastic car, guys. Let's go ahead and work our way to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, guys, check out this beautiful interior. Like I said earlier in the video, the car went through a complete restoration, so all the carpet's new, All your upholstery is new. The headliner is in excellent condition. All the interior lights work as they should. You've got an upgraded set of Dakota digital gauges in here, which in my opinion are just awesome. One, they just have a really cool look, but they're really accurate. And they definitely just give you a really good feel when you're driving the car. You know, in my opinion, when you're driving a car, some of the biggest things are all the things that you're looking at all the time or that you're touching all the time. So even like this I Did It steering wheel that is a replica of the original steering wheel, but a little bit smaller, a little bit thicker, so it's a little sportier. And then being able to look at those gauges just give you a really cool feel when you're driving this hot rod. But your door panels are in excellent condition. They're all done like original style. All the bright work looks really good on here. It's basically brand new. Your carpet's really good. You do get a really nice set of Impala floor mats that look really good in here. Your gas pedal and your brake pedal are in excellent condition, look brand new. You do have AC on this car, so you do get the vents underneath the dash here. Your center console is in excellent condition. You do have a vacuum gauge here, which is really cool with the SS badging right there in the console. Your headliner's in great condition. These seats, like I was talking to a customer earlier about this car, and like everywhere you look, you just see little details. Like even like the material and the stitching here, it's all like artwork, man. It's just an absolute beautiful interior, but overall very nice. But guys, with that being said, let's get to my favorite part and let's take this SS for a drive. All right, guys, we're out cruising in the 65 Impala, and so far I am blown away with the upgraded suspension, the upgraded brakes, the modern transmission. This thing drives amazing. It's a fun car to cruise. It's got plenty of power. One thing that I meant to mention earlier is the engine was rebuilt. It was rebuilt by Shacklett's out of Nashville, which they're very well known for building some really good engines. So if you guys are interested, you can reach out to them in Nashville or look them up. But overall, the car performs very well. Like I said, with all the modern components on the car, like the brakes and the suspension, this thing drives like a modern car. All your gauges on the dash work properly. We're showing about 150, 160 degrees on the temp there. Your voltage is reading about 13.5 volts, which is correct. Your oil pressure is about 40 PSI. Your tack there is working as well. You also have a upgraded, more modern style retro sound radio, which is really nice. It allows you to have Bluetooth and all that. This car does have ice cold AC. It blows nice and cold. Overall, fantastic interior here in the car. Performs very well as far as its drivability. But guys, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get back to the shop so we can get this thing up on the lift so I can show you all the cool things under this beautiful 65 Impala. All right, guys, we got the 65 Impala back here at the dealership up on the lift. Let's start up front here. Take a look at your tubular control arms from QA1. You got that beautiful coilover up in there as well. That's what really gives this car a nice ride. You've got your front CPP disc brakes there as well with drilled and slotted rotors that look really nice. Your front cross member here is in excellent condition. That 409 oil pan is painted in that Chevy orange and looks really nice. As we work our way back, you've got the 700 R4 transmission, which is a 4-speed transmission, which is really nice for this car. Gives it really good capabilities on the interstate. You got dual exhaust here as well. Your drive shaft is nice and clean and painted in a black. Your floor pans are all done in a like undercoating, which is really nice, easy to maintain. As we work our way back here, you've got some really nice control arms with QA1 coilovers on both sides here to give you excellent ride quality. They are adjustable as well, which makes it nice. You do have some adjustable control arms up here as well, and you do have an adjustable panhard bar there. And you have a 12-bolt rear end, which is really nice on this SS Impala. But overall, a fantastic car that is very clean top to bottom. If you guys are interested in this car, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for Chris or my partner Justin. If you guys want all the information on this vehicle, go to our website at www.collectiblemotor.com. Go to current inventory, scroll down until you see this beautiful Impala. We have a great description on it, and you can read through that. If you have any questions, reach out to us. But guys, with that being said, we're going to wrap up this video. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But guys, we'll catch you on the next one.